Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of UK, USA and Canada. And I'll also share my daily market analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD Japanese yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks that you need to keep your eyes on. Okay, this analysis is for Monday only, 1st March 2021. Okay, this analysis is for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. So this video is for today only, 1st March, Monday. So the first stock I have is Glencore, GLEN, Glencore. Okay, if I switch to 1 day time frame, you can see that there was support available at 289.75. Okay, there was support on the daily time frame at 289.75. Right now the stock is trading at 290.70, and you can see that the stock was going down and it took some support at the uh, support level and it bounced off a little. Okay, and if we look at the candle that it has made on Monday, last trading session Friday, then you can see that there was a huge price rejection from above. Okay, so what you can do today, you can see that I have also marked a line, green line, and it's 288.55. so if the stock opens below this level, 290 level, and if you find the stock below 288.5 level, you can short it. Okay, suppose if the market opens at 287, 288 or whatever, yeah, and if you see some good selling pressure, okay, try to analyze the market, try to understand the market psychology, and if you spot some good selling pressure, okay, then easily you can short the market below 288.55. The second stock is average. Okay, for average also you can see that same kind of candle, just like Glen. Okay, and average has also taken a support at the 573 level. Okay, on the daily, so uh, daily chart. So what you can do today, you can it is also in a similar territory, but if you see the chart, you can see that overall the stock is in uptrend. Okay, and we all know that it is not very wise to go against the trend. Still, I'll tell you that if you get a good chance and if you get to see some good selling pressure from above, okay, if you spot some good selling pressure, you can short it at 57 below 569 level. If you get a stock below 569 and the selling pressure is imminent, then you can short the stock for 1%. But generally it is not very wise to go against the trend. Still, looking at the position of the price, I can tell you that yes, below 569, if it is good enough in the selling pressure, then you can short it. The next stock is BLND, British Land Company. For British Land Company also we can see that the last traded price is 489.6, made a high of 514 and made a low of 483. So if the stock opens in this range between 483 and 514, you should not trade. This is your no trading zone. Buy above 514 and sell below 483. Okay. If you get a stock below 483.8, sell it. You can short the market. And if you get a stock above 514, and if you see that buying pressure is quite high, you can go long. If you see some selling from upside, good selling pressure, then you can short the market below 483.8. So the next stock is Fresh Nilo. For Fresh Nilo, you can see that trend is supporting us. The stock is in downtrend and it has just closed at the support level at the daily chart, and there was also support level. Okay, so this price level is very important, and the LTP is last traded price was 910. So going by the chart, if you get the stock below 910, so 906 level, if you get a stock 9 or between, or you say near 906 level, and if you spot some good selling pressure, short the market. Okay, short the market, you will get some good money. Okay, you can make some good money. Okay, because it will be not only breaking the pivot support. Okay, it will also be breaking the price support also. There is a support, it will be breaking this support also. So this 810 level, sorry, 910 level is very important. If you get the stock below this level, then it's a good sale. Okay, this next stock is wait, founding. Then securities group. Hmm. For this stock, I will give you two levels. Oh, hold a second, I forgot. Okay, so the stock is trading at 665. So you have two price. You can see on the screen I have marked 680 and 657. So between 657 and 680 you don't need to trade. If you get the stock above 680 with good buying pressure, good pressure from the bulls, go ahead and place the buy order. If you get the stock below 657 and you spot some good selling pressure, then you can short the market. Okay, just if you short the market, just be careful of this 50 MA. Okay, this 50 MA may provide support to the stock. Okay. If you get the stock below 658 level, and just do not close your eyes and sit nicely. Okay, waiting for the stock to go down, because the 50 MA may provide some support. If you want, then you can also come out by when this stock will hit the 50 MA. Okay, the next stock is ADM, Admiral Group. This is the last stock for the day. Okay. If you remember, I told you that this level is very crucial for the stock. 3121 level. Market is trying very hard to break the level, but every time it goes and hits the level, uh, there is someone sitting there. Good. The big players or the big boys are just shorting the market. They are not allowing the market to cross 3120 level. As a result, market is failing every time. Therefore, just keep your eyes open. In case if you see that uh, it breaks the level, then if you see some breakout with some good amount of volume, then also let the market stay above the 3120 level for at least 30 minutes. Okay, let the market feel comfortable at these at above the extreme resistance. Let the resistance become the support. Let the market sustain above the support for at least 30 minutes, then only initiate the buy order. But this level is very crucial for Admiral Group. Okay, just keep your eyes on ADM for this level. That's it. And if you are if you're a risk taker, if you like taking risks, if market goes up also hits the 3120 level, and if you see that okay, after hitting the level, as usual, market is reversing again, big boys are starting to showing their pressure, they are selling the stock again, then you can short the market. But that level is very important, 3120. Okay, so this is with the analysis of LSE. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I bring analysis on daily just before the market opens. And if you want to know more about me, you can also subscribe to my channel and visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. You'll see me tomorrow again before the market opens. Thank you so much.